Okay, today's video I want to discuss about one important topic of chemistry, very basic chemistry, which is molarity, molality, and normality. For example, in our analytical lab, we have to make different kind of solution. For example, 1 molar solution, one normal solution, like this. So we need to know the basic difference about molarity, molality, and normality. For example, if I said about the definition, molarity means the moles of solute per liter of solution. That means on the top it will be mole, like 1 mole, 2 mole, 3 mole, like this, and in the ground it will be like liter of solution. Liter of solution means solution. How can we make a solution? Solution is the combination of solute plus solvent. For example, we are making a salt solution, sodium chloride solution. That means we take 5 grams sodium chloride and make it to 100. So it is a 100-gram salt solution, 5%. So like this, the difference is molarity and molality. This one is solution, but this one is only solvent. So that means if I say molality, molality is the moles of solute divided by kg of solvent. 1 kg, 2 kg, it depends on the volume. For example, caustic soda, if we say the mass, atomic mass, sodium is 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1, total 40. So if someone say you make 1 molar caustic solution, so 1 molar means you will need 40 gram. So if you take 40 gram, then you can mark it up to 100 or 1000. 1000 you have to take, because this one is liter of solution. Liter means 1000 ml, 1000 ml. So if you take and make 1000 ml, then it will be a 1 molar solution. But if I say molal, then it will be like 40 gram you will take in 1 kg water. Okay, so this one is mass and this one is volume. So which is dependent on temperature, because if you increase or decrease temperature, the volume increase or decrease. But if you increase temperature or decrease temperature, the mass, it will not change, mass will remain same. So that means molarity depends on the temperature, but molality does not depend on the temperature. Okay, and the calculation is simple. Suppose I am saying 5% caustic solution you make, that means not 95, it means 5 gram and you have to make it total 100, because it is the solution. Okay, because sometimes we get confused, 5 gram caustic, 95 gram water. It's not like that. 100% means total 100. In the 100 you will take 5 gram caustic. That means solute is 5 gram, total solution is 100. Okay, and there is a important formula for calculating this concentration, like S equals to 1000 into W divided by MV. S means the concentration, it's the molarity, how much molar you will get, and W means the weight. For example, I say 40 gram, so W equals to 40 gram. So W equals to 40 gram. Okay, then M means molecular weight. The molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. That means M means 40. And the volume, suppose you want to make 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 ml. So V is 1000 ml. Okay. So how much you get S? So you are getting S equals to 1000 into 40 divided by 40 into 1000. That means 1. That means 1 molar. So if you take 40 gram, you will get 1 molar. If you take 20 gram, you will get 0.5 molar. So there is three characteristics like molar, semimolar, decimolar. Molar means 1 molar, semimolar means 0.5 molar, decimolar means 0.1 molar. Okay. So this is the molarity most important because in the lab we used to calculate in molarity. Another thing is normality. Normality means gram equivalent weight divided by liter of solution. So liter of solution is same to same, but on the top there is gram equivalent weight. So what is gram equivalent weight? For example, if I say normality, it will be like molarity into N. N means number of hydrogen and hydroxyl ion it can transfer. For example, 0.15 molar HCl. So if I convert it to normality, so it will be like only one hydrogen. So 1 will be multiplied. So 0.15 N normal. So if I say sulfuric acid H2SO4, how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So you have to multiply by 2. So it will be like 0.3. Same way, sodium hydroxide, how many hydroxyl? 1 hydroxyl ion. Barium hydroxide, how many hydroxyl? 2. So if you multiply, you will get it, the N number. So for sulfuric acid, the molecular weight is 98. So if I convert it to normality, it will be like 49. So we have to take 49 gram for making one normal solution. Okay. So this is the basic of molarity, molality, and normal.